Be it Durga Puja or Bengali weddings, Vetki Paturi is always the star of any Bengali feast. Juicy flesh wrapped in banana leaves, the sharp mustard punch, the smoky banana leaf aroma. It's pure bliss when you have it with korum bhat or steaming hot rice. Hi, I'm Pradipta, home chef from foodiesonly.in, and today we are making the classic Vetki Paturi from Bengal. I went to the fish market early to pick up fresh Vetki fillets. You can also use basa if you like. Start with pat drying the fillets using a tissue paper or towel. Then marinate with lime juice, salt and some ginger paste. Rest for 10 minutes, not more. Here I am making a paste of black mustard, yellow mustard, poppy seed, pumpkin seed, few cashews and some green chilies. This paste should be thick, so add water very carefully. Now second round marination with the paste we just made. Salt, turmeric, mustard oil and curd, really important. Coat the fillets very well in this mixture. Some people like the flavor of grated coconut. If you want, add about 1 tablespoon of finely grated coconut. Then rest for another 10 minutes. Lightly toasting the banana leaves to make them foldable, otherwise they might just crack. Spread a spoonful of the paste in the middle of the leaves. Place the fish, then spread another spoonful on top. Fold the leaves. These leaves should be long enough to fold the fillets into a parcel, then secure with a toothpick or a cotton thread. Heat a pan, add mustard oil and place the parcels. Fry them on low flame, lid closed for about 10 minutes. Flip the other side and fry for another 10 minutes. Lid closed, flame on low. And the classic Vetki Paturi is ready. Any kind of paturi should always be eaten with rice and rice only. See how beautiful it looks and taste 10 on 10. Do give this recipe a try and follow foodiesonly.in for more such delicious, iconic recipes.